Us now to help break this down and make sense of this is Chris Micheli, who is not only an adjunct McGeorge School of Law professor, but also a longtime lobbyist here in California. So Chris, just in both of those capacities, what was your reaction when you saw this happen? Well,
I think like the rest of the Sacramento community, it was a surprise to everybody. Folks were caught off guard, and it involves people that we both know and have worked with in the past.
In the big picture of political corruption, crimes, the spectrum, I mean, where does Dana Williamson's alleged crimes here rank?
Well, first of all, I'm going to differ a little bit in that I don't think this was political corruption. I think usually we use that terminology when it involves either an elected official or perhaps a staff member senior in government. But these alleged allegations are believed to have occurred outside of those official capacities. So I don't think it was political corruption from my viewpoint.
But in terms of how serious these are, what would you say?
No doubt they're serious allegations. Not only serious allegations, but if convicted, obviously serious consequences for engaging in the alleged conduct.
When it comes to the alleged conspiracy with Becerra's campaign accounts, why do you think there are so many charges against Williamson, but not her alleged co-conspirators, Sean McCluskey and Greg Campbell?
Well, I think primarily because they were allegedly involved in one aspect. Remember, that 23-count indictment involves not just the alleged improper payments, but also the claiming the PPP loan from the federal government, the alleged deceptive practices involving her income tax return. And then the fourth area is the allegation that she lied to federal agents. And certainly there are 4 different set of potential accusations that she's facing that weren't applicable to the other 2 gentlemen.
Williamson's attorney, McGregor Scott, is claiming investigators last year asked for her help with an investigation into Governor Gavin Newsom. But Scott says she declined because she said she didn't have any information and had not seen any misconduct from the governor. That is a big accusation and a big development in all of this as we try to understand what's happening here. What do you make of that?
Well, first of all, I have no reason to question either her statement nor that of McGregor Scott, the former United States Attorney for the Eastern District right here. I think also it raises the specter of some people viewing it, whether or not this was politically motivated. I think we should stay clear of making accusations on either side, because ultimately that could undermine the criminal justice process here. Remember, these people are accused of various serious criminal offenses, and we want to ensure that they have a fair and unbiased jury of their peers, if that's what they have to face. And anything that would do things to undermine that process, I think, are problematic. But when it is raised like that, it might appear to some folks that these are politically motivated charges, especially in light of what is happening at the federal level.
All right. Chris Micheli, we really appreciate your time and your insight. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
We should note we've reached out to Williamson's attorney, McGregor Scott, and Javier Becerra to come on the program. Both declined. We will continue to extend that invitation for them to come on and tell their side of the story.